With you how to start HTML for Make portfolio. Uh, so now I will explain what is the HTML. HTML, that means hypertext markup language. So this is the pattern, one pattern, HTML, start and closing HTML. Inside the HTML we got head, title, and also head, body, h1, p, then body close. So P, that means is paragraph, the short form is P here, and body also at the title. I mean, if you write anything or you search in Google or YouTube, you find the page name. This name actually the title name. Okay. So here is the another pattern. So for the example, I give one picture. Here is the one man. I compare with HTML. If I compare HTML versus human body, so we can see that here is the head. We can compare the HTML head to human body head. Okay. After that, we got the title. I mean the name here. Then we got the body. Inside the body, we got footer. We also got the leg and also uh, closing the footer. Then body and HTML. Okay. So here in the HTML, first up we got paragraph, that means is the short form is P. Then we got the title. Then we got bold, strong, heading tag. In the heading, we got six part up H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Then we got the attribute tag. Attribute tag, in attribute tag we got three type of attribute. One is the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag we got href and also image. Then we got the list. In the list we got two types of list. One is the order list, another is the unordered list. So after that we got the button. Then we got import, deep, section, small, then span, structure, head, body, the title. Okay. And then you can follow the WH3 school. I think is better if you go there. Suppose that if you write here W3 school, then it comes. So here we got so many things. What is the HTML, hypertext markup language, then also introduction, editor, basic of HTML, the elements, attributes, heading, paragraph, style, formatting, colors, and everything. So many things. So now we open the Visual Studio Code. The previous video I showing how to you install the Visual Studio Code in your PC. So now I want to show how to open the file in Visual Code. Okay. So first of all, I select the new file. I open this one. After that, Control S. I select the local disk. Here you can got two folder. One is the local disk C. There is the new volume D. Okay. So I think it's better if you select the local disk C. Okay. Then here you make before one folder. You write your name, which one you choose. So before I make one folder, this one is the web learning. I click this one. After that I make here, because this is the must this is my first website portfolio for you. So I write here first dot html. Okay, the second one, I select this one, HTML here. You got the under HTML. I select this one, then I save this one. Okay, so we got here the name first.html. Okay, so here the first we got the paragraph. The short form is P here, so we go there, we write the P here, we click this one. After that we write hello world. Okay, hello world, then control S, I mean save this one. Then I go to local disk C, web learning, then need to big, I mean the larger. I click this one, so it come hello world here. So I give the another example here, how to write the title here, title here. So title will be Jubaer Ahmed, page PAGE. Okay, I write the down here. So control S. After that I go to the website here. So if I refresh this one, it came hello world. The page name is the Jubaer Ahmed page. Okay, so if that I go to the bold, I mean the third option, so I have to write here bold. The option, the short form is P. Then I open this one, hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. Okay, then control S, I mean save. Then I go to the website, then I refresh this one. So here came hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. Just compare the first one, hello world, and Jubaer Ahmed, because this is the paragraph. The short form is P here, and here is the bold. The short form is P. So hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed. So this one came the big, I mean the size is the big here, that is the simple. So suppose that then I go to the strong is and bold is the similar one. If I go to the strong, if I write a strong T or, so the third one, here here I write I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, so control S, I open this one, I refresh this one. So the came I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, just here I give the control S. After that I go again. Okay, so hello, this is Jubaer Ahmed, I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. What is the if you compare two sentences here, bold, this one also the big size here, and also strong, this one also showing the big size. So for bold and strong is the similar one. So now uh, suppose that you write anything or okay,